Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can remove only one earphone from the charging case or put one earphone to the charging case and then close the case. And we can use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection. But you can't connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. Only both of these earbuds to one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!